All right, sixth grade. Let's go ahead and start with the Phoenicians assignment. Okay, you've already done the escape room. There were, it looks like, about 10 people who have not completed the escape room. If you have some time today, make sure you do go back and finish that so you can use, so I can put that into the grade book. So as you can see here, there are about 10 people who have not done the escape. 24 people escaped, 10 people still need to work on it. Please make sure you get that turned in. And so now what we want to look at, okay, now that you've escaped, if you need to go back and just quickly review, then do that. You need to write a gist. Okay, now that you've escaped, go back to the reading, create a main idea statement. Um, for each paragraph. But before we do that, you need to type in a gist. So why don't you pause and put your gist statement? Okay, here's a possible gist statement that you can add. The Phoenicians started from very little to grow into a very large group of city states. And if you remember the video last week, you may not remember. Okay, I took some of that from the video that we watched in class before you did your escape room. Now your job is to fill in this chart. Okay, you'll see 4 paragraphs there. You'll need your textbook. So I'm going to bring up the textbook. And you'll notice from my textbook that it is already highlighted. But here's how you come up with your sentence or two. Our goal is to come up with 2 sentences. Okay. One sentence that restates the first sentence of each paragraph and then details to give an example. Okay. And in this particular paragraph, I highlighted in green the first sentence. The narrow strip of coast along the Mediterranean, present day Lebanon, contained many natural resources and had good harbors. So I'm going to take that and see what were the natural resources and why was this such a good place to have harbors. And you notice that one reason it had good harbors because cities started to emerge, a trading economy emerged from these good harbors. Um, Exports, since if you're at a harbor, boats are coming in and out, so you can do a lot of trading, and that's what the Phoenicians did. They traded wood, purple dye. They also imported things from other countries. They came into the country. They imported raw materials, okay, to make other luxury goods. So if you look at my sentence, here's what I put. The Greeks called the people, the Greeks called the people living in Eastern Mediterranean the Phoenicians, which meant purple dye people. They were good at trading and this should be making luxury goods. And I probably could have put a for example. They were good at trading and making luxury goods. Okay. You will do that for the other paragraphs. Take a look at paragraph number 2 now. Highlight the first sentence. So pause and do that. Phoenicia's most important export was its culture. And then I'm going to highlight through here to find examples of its culture that it circulated to the rest of the world. Okay. One was their alphabet. Okay. The symbols that they used in their alphabet. The fact that their alphabet was made from sound. Okay. And how other civilizations adopted this alphabet. So you have to highlight the first sentence and restate it in your own words. And then your second sentence should find at least 1 or 2 examples from the reading. And here's what I put. Culture was Phoenicia's most important trade source. Okay, I restated that. For example, now here comes my example sentence. The Phoenicians used a 22-letter alphabet to record transactions, and it is similar to ours. So that's what it said toward the end, because it got adopted by other civilizations. Okay, you will do that for paragraphs 3 and 4, so please finish that. And then you're going to combine all of your sentences into a nice paragraph that you will put down here in your summary. Okay, If this little summary thing moves, then you can just move it around and just, okay? And then you're going to paste everything here. When you're ready, you're going to go here to File, download this either as a PDF. If you use PDF, if that's the only slide on there, okay? If it's not, then please make sure you click the slide that you're going to download and either pick JPG or PNG and then turn it in when you're done. Thank you.